If you want to change text color in CapCut, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to update your text color quickly and easily, whether you want a simple preset color, a custom shade, or even a color matched from your video itself. This is one of the easiest ways to make your captions, titles, and on-screen text look more professional and stand out better in your edits. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Now let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is already on the timeline. To add text, go to the text panel and click the plus button on the default text option. This will create a new text layer that appears on your timeline. Once your text is added, type in whatever you want it to say and place it where you want it to appear in your video. Next, click directly on the text clip in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is important because it selects the text layer you want to edit. If you have multiple layers, make sure you choose the correct one so the changes apply to the right text. Now look at the top right properties panel. Make sure you are under the text tab, then click on Basic. This section contains the main text controls, including font, size, alignment, and color. If you don't see the options right away, just scroll through the panel a little until the settings you need appear. After that, locate the color section. In most cases, you'll see a solid white rectangle there by default. That box shows the current text color. Click on it to open the color selection panel. This is where you can fully customize the look of your text. Inside the color panel, you have a few different options. You can click one of the preset color swatches if you want something quick and easy. If you want a more specific look, use the full color spectrum box to choose a custom hue. You can drag around until you find the exact shade you want, then release to apply it instantly. If you want your text to match something already on your screen, CapCut also gives you the Eyedropper Tool. This is really useful for branding, matching your text to a logo, or picking up a color from your video preview. Just select the eyedropper, hover over the area you want to copy, and click to sample that color. CapCut will automatically apply it to your text. Once you've selected the color, your text should update right away. Take a moment to preview it on your video and make sure it is easy to read. If the color blends into the background, try using a brighter shade, a darker shade, or a complementary color so your text stands out more clearly. You can also come back and adjust the color anytime by clicking the text layer again and reopening the basic text settings. That means you can experiment with different styles until your title, subtitle, or caption looks exactly how you want it. And that's it. That's how to change text color in CapCut in just a few simple steps. Whether you're editing short-form content, YouTube videos, or social media reels, this trick can instantly improve the look of your content and make your text much more engaging. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what CapCut feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.